Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Android device so the installation can proceed reliably. Enable developer options and USB debugging if you plan to move large installers from a PC. This speeds file transfer. Install the chosen runtime or streaming client on Android. Wine-based layers emulate libraries, while remote desktop streams a real Windows machine. Once done, copy the Windows installer to internal storage and check you have at least 25 GB free. This prevents mid-install failures and keeps performance stable. Now you install and configure the runtime layer or connect to your remote Windows host. Open the app, grant storage and network permissions, and run the runtime installer. This puts necessary libraries in place. If the tool offers CPU/ABI selection, pick the translation that matches the app, x86 translation for legacy apps versus native ARM builds, because wrong choice breaks execution. Once installed, tweak the graphics backend and memory ceiling to balance battery and performance. These settings directly affect responsiveness. Finally, install or launch the Windows software inside the runtime environment and test core functions. File reads, network calls, input mapping, and audio. Use short test tasks to verify responsiveness and adjust control mappings for touch or external keyboards. If you see crashes, lag, or missing features, first clear the app cache and restart the runtime. If that fails, reinstall the runtime or switch from emulation to remote streaming, because streaming runs native Windows remotely and avoids translation bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: capture logs and compare before and after changes to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.